Good morning and welcome to the video and the gym here. It's 6 in the morning on the 25th of April. I just wanted to make this very short video because today we're going to start a competition at work called Challenger. It's going to run here during the spring and my goal is to get in the best shape of my life. So I'm going to do this morning workout now and then I'm going to document maybe the coming months or so, and hopefully when it's like June, definitely I've reached my goal. So I think I'm going to do a bit of more of kind of like a quick clips here, coming weeks, maybe post a little bit more often than I did. So if you like it, if you want to see more, let me know. And also tell me, where are you from? It'll be very interesting to see where all my viewers are. So I'm gonna update a bit more. See you later. Yeah, just for the sake of reference, it'll be fun to see what I look like, I guess, now, before everything here, first day. Let's see what I look like if I'm gonna do some progress here the coming months. So I didn't eat anything yet, so basically we can barely see the veins. There's no pump, so to speak, in the muscles, but after work it normally looks better if that's what you care about. So yeah, just had a morning walk, nothing interesting to see here. Let's get the workout started. The bench press, only 50 kilos, definitely one of my weaker ones, and I really want to get up to my body weight, like 75. But yeah, I'm quite weak now. I didn't anything before, so that's a tough one, but that's definitely the goal, getting past like 75. We'll see how long that takes. Maybe before my birthday in September, we'll see. Whew, weight dips always feels great, but yeah, I haven't eaten anything, so definitely a bit more tired than if I'm doing this later today, but great to get the energy started and wake up. Yeah, I just did 49 on the incline chest machine there. Not the strongest for sure. Definitely have some room to more grow. I think I could do maybe like 56, but definitely I want to improve that. That's one of the areas I think I'm the weakest. But yeah, we have a few months. We'll see what we get. Definitely not my strongest. They did 25 kilos here for the chest dumbbell press, but we'll see. I don't have so much energy, so I think I'm gonna continue here and then I will eat some breakfast. Okay, so now the best part of the day, breakfast, and we have some pretty epic one here. We have some nice eggs, 2 whole eggs and 8 egg whites, and then I have bread that I bought yesterday. The video I did yesterday, actually, I normally don't eat bread, but I'm gonna try different things here. I think it's gonna be very nice. So I think I'm gonna document a bit how I eat differently, maybe like oats one day, yogurt one day, bread another day, show a bit what I'm having for lunch and dinner, if you want. Let me know what you wanna see. Probably not today, I'm gonna keep it short, but it'll be interesting, you know, to hear what you wanna see from this. It'll be fun to just document this process, but first I'm gonna enjoy this very healthy meal here. A lot of protein. Of course, I went to the gym, didn't eat anything before. Now it's 7:30, so after this I'm gonna go to work. So yeah, let me know if you want to see. Otherwise, looking forward to starting this kind of mini series, you know, road to the best shape of my life, summer 2022. So if you want to be part of that or think other people that might be interested in it, you know, send it, share it with them. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.